For the last day we decided to go to Sveta Nedjelja, which is allegedly the best cliff diving spot. Yeah, the weather is still awesome. Alright, we are at the bus stop right now. We've taken the bus. Now we'll have to walk. Well, so basically we're over here and we'll have to walk over here and then just get over here. That could be like 7 kilometers or something. And this is the sun, which will support us. Maybe not. So I wanted to rent a bike to go over here as well. I wanted to rent a road bike. It's not the best idea to ride a road bike on this kind of terrain. So yeah, we're just walking. If anyone could let me know in the comments below, or like if anyone could let us know in the comments below what kind of animal this is, because well, it's like non-stop producing the noise. This is probably better. This was Michael D's idea to cover our heads. I have nothing to cover my head, just with my spare shirt. If it looks stupid but it works, then it's not stupid. So I'm going by this rule and I feel much better. I think we've already made it to the village or somewhere nearby at least. And yeah, I've changed the shirt for a t-shirt because it's like lighter color, it's white, so it reflects the sun better. So this should be it, right?
Iba skoč. Woohoo!
Yeah, we had so much fun over here. Very clear water and also deep. So yeah, right now we are going to a restaurant to eat something. And I also think like my height tolerance has actually increased, because at first, the first day we've been jumping, I was afraid to jump from like 7 meters at most, and right now I jumped from 11 or so. This is the exact same way back as we went here. Thankfully the sun is not that strong, but it's still considerably strong. We're getting there. I'll be in shade as soon as possible. Oh, this is better. This is much better. Finally, this is the view I wanted to see. Oh, somewhere over there, there's the bus stop. I remember when we were just getting off the bus over here. Now we are actually getting back. While we are waiting for the bus, it's probably time to review this day. What would you say? How was this day out of 10?
Cliffs, yeah, probably a 10 out of 10. Also clear water. How about the long journey to Sveta Nedjelja and also back? It was so awful and some health issues, but cliffs were great.
Yeah, I have to admit, we had a long journey there and back. It was probably altogether around 15 kilometers or more. We also built up some courage over the last 2 days, and so we could jump from higher cliffs. For me it was like 9.5. The half point was probably deducted because of the long journey, like we had to walk there and back. So we are finally at the accommodation. Look what I bought. Unfortunately they didn't have a chilled version, so I'm just putting this one over here. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and in case I was able to motivate you to visit this island, then I'm happy. I enjoyed truly my last summer vacation, and maybe I'll see you on my next trip, which I don't know when it will take, but yeah, you'll be definitely notified if you click the bell button.